Hi everyone, this is Malika and I cannot wait to share my experience with you. I was interviewing several students from Pace University. All of them completed workshops provided by Career Service. If you're interested to build your future now, keep watching me.
Okay, hello Malika.
Hold on. I'm gonna introduce myself.
Oh, I'm sorry. The reason why I chose PACE is because, first of all, PACE has one of the largest internships programs in all the colleges. So when I came here, I had the opportunity to switch the college, but I stayed because the faculty, the teachers, the people, they focus on your personal development. So it's not just you're at a random college, but if you really go to people for help, they do help you.
How did Career Service help you and was it useful?
I think I owe my entire career path and my career life right now to Career Service because they helped me build my resume. Like I remember I came to Career Service with a wrong resume template that I got from Word doc. I was like, okay, let me get it started and then Career Service can help me. So they taught me like the font size that you should use, like what keyword you should add to your resume, like what you should be, have on your resume and what you should take it out. And like just be efficient with your one-page intro about yourself.
Like, did you go to Inspire program or any Career Service workshops to like be prepared for the interview? I think that might be scary for the person.
So actually, I remember that to be on Handshake, you need to go to some of these Career Service things. And in the beginning, I was like, but then I went and I realized my resume definitely needed the polishing. Like, it is something that is so helpful going to the resume workshop. And then the craziest thing was, I went to the interview workshop and I was sitting there, listening, and I get a call. And I didn't know what the number was, and I ran outside because that was just when I had my interview at Sony. And that's when I got the call that I got the position. During my interview workshop. How weird.
Oh my god.
And I was like, Career Services is watching me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's definitely an amazing experience. Yeah, I can imagine how you were like shaking at that moment.
Yeah, and I found out, and then I walked back into the workshop and I was like, oh my god. Yeah.
Dreams
come true.
Yeah. I really hope that these skills are useful for you and you learned as much as possible by watching this video. And I wish you all the best and let's do that. Thank you for watching me, guys. See you soon.